So the average value of a function f of x over the interval x is greater than or equal to a but less than or equal to b is defined to be 1 over b minus a, the integral of b of f of x dx from a to b. So a stock market analyst has determined that the price of the stock of Acme Corporation over the year 2001 can be modeled by the function f of x is equal to 75 plus 8x minus 1 half x squared, where x is the time in months. So in months yan. So in months. In months. Since the beginning of 2001, and f of x is in dollars. So find the average value of the Acme Corporation stock over the first half of 2001. So first half po tayo. So yan yung ating mga keyword. Meron na tayong main equation dito. So, so simple, no? Binibigay na lahat yung gagawin natin. So mayroon tayong equation dyan. Given na yung f of x din. So magsasubstitute na lang yung gagawin natin dyan. So we have here the average cost. Or the costing is 1 over b minus a integral of a from a to b f of x dx. So given yung f of x natin, 75. Yung a natin is equal to, syempre yung a natin is 0. While yung b natin is equal to, since first half yan, that is equal to 6. Tama, no? So, substitute lang tayo dyan. 1 over 6 minus 0. So, the integral, so from 0 to 6. Yung function na given natin, that is 75 plus 8x minus 1 half x squared dx natin. Okay, so substitute lang natin yan sa ating calculator. So 1 over 6, integral of 75 plus 8x minus 0.5 alpha x squared all over I from 0 to 6. So ang lumalabas sa calculate ko is equal to $93. So $93 yung ating sagot for problem number 15 natin. Okay, so dito, hindi nag-apply yung if it seems easy, you are doing it wrong. Sabi nila lagi, di ba? So dito, binigay na kasi lahat. So kahit anong pilit na nating pahirapan yung sarili natin, madali lang talaga yung gagawin natin. So hindi mag-apply yan. Yung if it seems easy, you are doing it wrong. So tanggalin na natin sa mindset natin yan. Mahilig silang magbigay ng mga ganitong problems given yung mga equations and yung process na gagawin natin. It's just on us kung paano natin isa-substitute. So perfect na natin yung ganyang mga type ng problems natin. So just like dito sa problem number 15 natin. Okay? So huwag kayong magduda dun sa ginagawa nyo. Basta alam yung tama. Okay? So that is $93 for problem number 15.